สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีทุกท่านเลยนะคะเรากลับมาเจอกันในช่วงของเซสชันสุดท้ายสำหรับในช่วงเวลา 16:15 นาทีค่ะกับภายในงานแสดงสินค้าและบริการวงจรอิเล็กทรอนิกส์แห่งเอเชีย 2024 นั่นเองค่ะซึ่งสำหรับในช่วงนี้ค่ะหลายๆท่านนะคะน่าจะได้เข้ามาร่วมนะคะสัมมนารวมไปถึงค่ะรับชมผ่านช่องทางออนไลน์ไลฟ์สดของเราในช่วงนี้ค่ะและแน่นอนว่าสำหรับเซสชันนี้นะคะแน่นอนว่าก็จะมีเนื้อหาที่น่าสนใจที่พร้อมจะให้ทุกท่านค่ะได้มาร่วมเรียนรู้ไปด้วยกันเพราะฉะนั้นนะคะเรียนเชิญทุกท่านค่ะที่อยู่ภายในงานนะคะมายังบริเวณด้านหน้าเวทีเพราะสำหรับหัวข้อสัมมนาในช่วงนี้เราจะเริ่มต้นขึ้นแล้วค่ะซึ่งสำหรับหัวข้อสัมมนาในช่วงเวลานี้นะคะก็จะเป็นหัวข้อ Thermal Dissipation PCB Application Solution for Power Device โดย Miss Mary Wong Senior Engineer of King Wong Technical Department King Wong Electronic Jewelry หลงฉวน Company Limited ค่ะในช่วงนี้นะคะดิฉันขอเรียนเชิญนะคะสปิเกอร์ของเราขึ้นบนเวทีค่ะ I would like to invite on stage please ค่ะขอเสียงประมือด้วยค่ะ
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. First, it's very great honor to be here, and I would like to show my warmly welcome to your listening. This is Mary. Sorry. Sure. I'm sorry. Hold on a second. This is Mary. Come from King Wong Electronic Company in China. The printed circuit boards manufacturer dedicated to high layer count, high speed, and high reliable PCB manufacturing. Okay. We all know that the printed circuit boards of the electronic products are getting highly integrated, miniaturized, lightweight, and high power. So the total density power density and calorific value per unit area increase greatly. And how to say, about 70% of the failure of the electronic products is caused by overheating. And thermal management is the key to determine lifetime of the electronic products. And the market competition is becoming increasingly fierce. Product design is constantly changing, and demands are going to be more diversified. So a single thermal solution can no longer meet the requirements of customer products for thermal dissipation design. And cost is always a key concern of customer products. Then, a cost-effective thermal solution is becoming the focus of attention. By knowing this, King Wong is long been studying on the thermal properties of PCBs. Now, let me share my topic about thermal dissipation PCB application solution of the power devices for power tray electrification, okay, which totally contain 5 parts. Firstly, I would like to share an overview about our company's overview, introduction, and sales breakdown, and global footprint, and metal PC plans profile. And then the second part will share 5 levels with total 43 structures of the thermal dissipation PCB. Then next about the study about the thermal characteristics of the thermal dissipation PCB. Next, about the solution of King Wong produced PCB. by taking different technologies. And the last one takes examples about the optimization products to achieve cost saving and thermal management improvements. Let's go to the first one. Well, as the PCB market leader, one of the PCB market leader in China, King Wong Electronics was founded in 1993 and became the listed company in 2017. It specializes in researching, developing, and producing the printed circuit boards, and the company's products are widely used in production of the manufacturing, such like the rigid PCB, flexible PCB, and metal PCB, etc. Ranking number 10 in globally in PCB industry and number 3 in China domestic. Furthermore, the ESG year of the management's performance has been widely recognized. And in the latest data of this year from the Wind ESG Performance Agency, King Wong Electronics achieved a rating of A in 2022 and earned a 3B rating score in April in 2023 from the data of Signal Security rating. We have a total 16,000 employees and more than 1,700 technical staff globally, keeping at least 5% of our sales turnover on new PCBs research and development by supporting of our technical central team. Here you can find the rigid PCB and flexible PCB sales revenue, of which the automotive takes up the big parts of the former, while the consumer takes up the big parts of the latter. That can be said, automotive, electronic, and energy control are the main contributors for rigid PCB, while consumer electronics and smartphones are the main contributors for the flexible PCB. At presently, all of our production bases are located in China mainland, but we set up our sales offices and FAE worldwide, such like the office size of Munich in Germany, St. Joe's and Salt Lake City in USA, Guadalajara in Mexico, Incheon in Korea, and Shizuoka and Hoboken in Japan. We can provide a real-time responsive service globally for our customer. There are total 6 facilities nationwide, and one facility located in Thailand is planning as well. Okay. King Wong can provide different kinds of PCBs, such like rigid PCB, flexible PCB, metal PCB, substrate like PCB, ceramic substrates, and millimeter wave radar PCB, etc. And we also set up the integrated product development system and procedure to support our customers' new products development and introduction. King Wong Shenzhen base focus more on high mix, low volume business and high tech complexible boards. And 3 plants located in Zhuhai, China City. Okay. And one called HLC, high layer count for short, is especially dedicated for high-speed light backplane and line card PCBs. Another plant called SLP, ceramic substrate PCB, substrate line PCB for short, dedicated for high density interconnection. And the other plant is equipped with FPC, which can provide FPC plus SMT one-stop service. In 2023, Kim Wong took a stake on Suzhou Innovation Ceramic Technology Company and entered the ceramic circuit market. With current loading production of the DBC and AMV products. And their 4 facilities are located in Jiangxi province, with one going into production this year. It is a high volume mass production base, mainly focused on the rigid PCB of automotive and consumer electronic products. And Longchuan base covers with the rigid PCB, flexible PCB, and metal PCB facilities, mainly dedicated for the multi-layer boards and FPC plus SMT one-stop service and the thermal dissipation PCBs. Now, in the following parts, we will just focus on this PCB, metal PCB, and talk about the technologies, products, and for these parts. Okay. Well, as the largest factory that's in China that's only produce the metal PCB. This factory is a professional factory with more than 27 years experience in thermal dissipation PCB. And mastering in the manufacturing and technology with a number of thermal database and focus on more details of the automotive electronic field and establish a good cooperative relationship with global top 50 tier 1 enterprises. And all the time, we adhere to the concept of lean production, and now are concentrating on the developments of automation, intelligence, and digitization. And we are dedicated to thermal solution design, metal-based material production, and metal-based, thermal-based dissipation, PCB, R&D, and manufacturing, by sewing not only in the full production process, but the PCB level, thermal solution level. It is well known that printed circuit boards as a part of electronic, it provides necessary mechanical supports, electrical connection, and electrical installation for various types of components in the circuit. There are many kinds of PCBs that have high efficient thermal dissipation. Metal PCB, ceramic inlay PCB, copper coil inlay PCB, copper pedestal PCB, insulated metal substrate radiator integration PCB, etc. to reduce the component's operating temperature of the expected product lifetime and performance. Well, according to the heat-sink requirements of the components, there are 4 kinds of heat dissipation system structures. In achieving of the great high efficient thermal dissipation, and it can connect with the PCBA by either thermal interface material or by soldering, or even the integration of metal PCB and radiator, which apply to the air cooling or liquid cooling. A structure, okay, is the current popular design solution, which need at least 5 layers of contact interface and mainly apply to the small and medium power products. And B structure changes the TIM material to the soldering material, which can reduce the thermal resistance. And C and D, well, they are the new developing products with great thermal dissipation and mainly applied to the liquid high thermal conductivity, liquid cooling small and high power modules. Based on the FR4 PCB, we internally divided the thermal dissipation products into 5 levels with total 43 structures. This one on the left side. And T stands for thermal conduction. Number 1 to 5 means the heat dissipation class. The higher the level, the better the thermal dissipation effects. Therefore, King Wong is capable to provide comprehensive thermal solution with currently owning 5 categories with 43 structures of the structures. And for better understanding, we also conclude the identity rules in terms of thermal conduction product structures and metal-based material and the thermal insulation-based material. And attach the typical structures diagrams for each levels. In achieving of overall thermal dissipation and the local efficient heat conduction, multi-layer interconnection, and heavy copper ceramic substrates, and special process design, etc. Well, this is inseparable from excellence detection ability because our central lab was recognized and authorized by the CNAS. Includes the following aspects: quality and the reliable inspection, mainly focus on physical, chemical, and electrical tests, and failure analysis, and the thermal dissipation test, etc., such as the ASTM D5470 tester, measure and monitor the thermal conductivity of the dielectric material, and PCBA thermal resistance and junction temperature tester to verify the thermal dissipation effects. Then, what is the effect of the each level for the thermal dissipation? There are data illustrating the case temperature of the temperature difference from 60 Celsius degree to 100 Celsius degree difference of the MOSFETs measured by the infrared imager and under the state test condition with MOSFETs TO crossbar 252 and 15 watts driving power and 25 Celsius degree environmental temperature. And this page shows the difference of junction temperature and the thermal resistance of thermal dissipation for each level. So you can see here we just saw 3 structures for each level for comparison. And it is obviously to see that the higher the level and the lower the junction temperature and the lower the thermal resistance. Generally, it is more popular to design with via holes for the multi-layer boards to get heat dissipation. And we did study for the to use with the same test design and test condition, which is indeed the case. You can see the the right size PCB thermal resistance for the four solutions A, B, C, and D. So you can see ABC with via holes has better thermal dissipation performance than that with no SVR holes. But the SVR holes filled by the copper plating has the best thermal dissipation performance. Then the other 2-3 methods, copper paste field and resin plugging. Okay. Thank you. However, according to the former test results, the PCB used with the metal substrates and thermal insulation-based material has the better effects than that of the rigid PCB. And this picture shows 4 layers PCBs of LED junction temperature decreased by 6.8 Celsius degree after changing by the dielectric material. Here you can see left side picture and the right side picture. This is thermal conductive, and we change to the thermal conductive. Yeah. And it is well known that 3 typical methods of heat transferring, heat conduction, and heat radiation, and heat convection, of which we just only focus on the first 2 because the last one is more about the end application. And this picture here we can see for those power devices of the small and medium power, there's no need to assemble a heat sink on backside. It can increase to the radiative heat transfer coefficients. And testing with the MOSFETs TO crossbar 252 and with 2 watts of the thermal desired power. The results show here, the temperature decreased by 10 Celsius degree. And this case used the same MOSFET, but we apply with the 65 Celsius constant temperature on the PCB metal bottom side to verify the influence of the thermal coupling in different components array design. So we can see here, the larger the array spacing and the lower the junction temperature. Why the array spacing is more than or equal to 3 millimeter? The temperature curve tends to be asymptotic with minor change of the temperature difference. Another study about temperature difference by gluing on metal backside, comparing with the general single-sided aluminum-based solution and the IMS radiator integration solution. Under the same situation, the driving power of a single MOSFET is 5 watts, and the temperature decreased by 8.76 Celsius degree. And correspondingly, the application scenarios of the thermal dissipation PCB with mastering the technologies of 5 categories and in different different application fields such like BMS, MCU, OBC, and power module, liquid cooling power module, etc. Next, the application in automotive parts of King-Wong thermal dissipation PCBs with mastering the manufacturing technologies of 43 kinds of product structures in 5 categories. And we can see here, the T2 has the most application scenarios. And the higher the level, the relatively few of the application scenarios, as the thermal dissipation economies needs to be matched. This is one of the matched solution of the T1SC1 structure, single-sided and double-layer structure to get multi-layer layouts and circuits interconnection, which apply to a DC-DC power module. And the separation design of control board, designed as the rigid PCB, and the power board designed as metal PCB. Connects the electric through the conductors or the conductive poles, with the following benefits as follows: modular automation production and hardware and assembly cost reduction, more free choice of the devices, and good heat dissipation, which can increase the power load of the module and reduce the device consumption. It is well known that the multi-in-one electrical driving system has been recognized as the developing direction of the industry. And we have solution of the T2SA1 of the control board and the power board separation solution to get multi-layer interconnection, low thermal resistance, and efficient thermal dissipation. And T4 IC1 solution of the control board and power board integration to achieve multi-layer interconnection and local efficient thermal dissipation. The thermal part of metal base directly connected to get high currents carrying and efficient thermal dissipation, dividing the metal base into several networks by filling with the insulation resin to get electrical isolation and double-size mounting. Well, we come to the examples optimization and the 24 watts automotive inverter application with the microvia and resin plugging. By changing to the FR4 structure plus copper coil embedded, decreasing temperature by 6.6 Celsius degree and the total cost reduced by 3.5%. And this case, to optimize the global flight by increasing the heat transferring path from the wheel hose to the pedestal, which are decreasing the thermal resistance 1.12 Celsius degree per watt, and the cost reduced by 7%. And this is a very special case because we did twice optimization. The first time is from a two-layer FR4 PCB to a single-sided double-layer metal PCB solution, which has a high thermal dissipation and can use the cheaper MOSFETs instead. Though the PCB cost increased, but the total cost decreased. And the second time, change the T1 solution to the single-sided, single-layer PCB solution. The main board separated from the driving board, and the driving power of the single module decreased by 20.2%. And the total cost decreased by close to 20%. Because the quantity of the MOSFETs can be reduced from 72 to 60. In conclusion, there are four kinds of solutions of the PCB heat dissipation system. PCBA connector with the radiator of the bi-thermal interface material or by soldering, and IMS radiator integration and high thermal conductivity insulation, metal substrates radiator integration PCB. There are also many other kinds of solutions for that. For example, metal core PCB, FPCB plus metal PCB, and carbon ink technologies, etc. Okay, now we come to the end, and I hope this speech has been deep impression from my side, and it is free to contact us for further discussion. And here I also saw the contact window, Simon, Sales Director, and Rocky, the Vice General Manager of the technology. That's all, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Marie Wang, Senior Engineer of King Wong Technical Department, King Wong Electronic Technology หลงชวน Company Limited ค่ะ และก็จบไปแล้วเนี่ยค่ะสำหรับการบรรยายในหัวข้อ Thermal Dissipation PCB Application Solution for Power Device ค่ะ ซึ่งแน่นอนว่าสำหรับงานนี้ค่ะ เป็นงานที่ต้องบอกว่าเราจะมีหัวข้อการสัมมนาแบบนี้นะคะทั้ง 3 วันเต็มค่ะ ตั้งแต่วันนี้วันที่ 24 กรกฎาคมไปจนถึงวันที่ 26 กรกฎาคมนะคะตั้งแต่ช่วงเวลา 10 นาฬิกาไปจนถึงช่วงเวลา 18 นาฬิกาของทุกๆวันค่ะที่ EH 101 ณ ศูนย์ประชุมและนิทรรศการไบเทคกรุงเทพมหานครนั่นเองค่ะซึ่งแน่นอนว่าสำหรับในวันนี้นะคะการสัมมนาในวันแรกของเรานะคะก็ครบถ้วนทั้งหมดแล้ว 5 หัวข้อด้วยกันค่ะแต่แน่นอนว่าสำหรับวันพรุ่งนี้ทุกท่านนะคะสามารถมาเยี่ยมชมและรับชมสำหรับหัวข้อการบรรยายได้ตั้งแต่ช่วงเวลา 10 นาฬิกา 30 นาทีค่ะแต่ในช่วงนี้ทุกท่านนะคะยังสามารถเยี่ยมชมนะคะเกี่ยวกับบูธกิจกรรมรวมไปถึงนะคะบริษัทกว่า 200 บริษัทด้วยกันที่วันนี้ค่ะได้มาร่วมงานกับเราและในช่วงนี้นะคะก็ต้องขอตัวลาทุกท่านไปก่อนและกลับมาเจอกันใหม่ในวันพรุ่งนี้สำหรับวันนี้ขอบพระคุณและสวัสดีค่ะ